a cabinet reshuffle before the end of the week. He's chasing the nuclear deal in energy. And Mahlobo will run the two departments, both the intelligence and the energy. So one day they just woke up in the morning, they are told Nkosazana is going to be the president. And they are like, but no one spoke to us. We are not voting cattle. This guy disrespects us. He cannot just impose a name like that without taking us into confidence. So DT has made up his mind about Nkosazana. Whether they put him there or not, they can put him there because they want to attract the Mpumalanga vote. But the guy does not want them. He doesn't want Nkosazana at all. So he went to now manufacture a candidate from candidate factory and then produced a candidate called Zweli Mkhize, which is extremely ambitious. I mean, why if Zweli sits at home alone, he must ask himself what makes him think he can be a president.